and compare you to you and others, that a lot of difference will be there, because you will get more knowledge from this Be10x team, and whatever the people they were teaching over there, all are very knowledgeable. They have given inputs like 110% more than that. That's how my journey started, from scratch to now it is productivity to the more productive. That
Mm-hmm.
is the one, that is the more benefits to me from the Be10x team, and the classes, master classes, and weekend classes, Q&A session. They resolved all the questions as well. It was very wonderful training session, brainstorming session as well. I expected some 20% hike that time, but my manager given very good hike, 29 point some 5%.
Great, great, great.
Yeah, whatever I invested, I got double returns. I'm happy with that. So that is what, whoever going to join the courses or any master classes with Be10x, absolutely 100% I'll recommend them to join. You will gain the knowledge. Students also means it is very extraordinary, because of well in advance you will get all the details.
Hello, Rajesh. How are you?
Hello, sir. I am fine. How are you?
I'm doing great as well. Thank you
Hmm.
so much. First of all, thank you so much for being patient enough and connecting to me after a long time, and and you're willing to share your success story to us.
Yeah.
So before we proceed into further details, I would like you to give a small intro so that people who are watching this video will also get to know you. So can you please share about you something?
Yeah, sure, sir. My name is Rajesh. I'm basically from Bangalore. I'm working in the corporate sector. Okay, I was SME. When I joined Be10x team, I was like a normal subject matter expert. Okay. Hmm. I was handling only my activity, whatever work assigned to me. I was handling only my activity, and they were expecting some more extra work from you to product it. So that time, whatever I do regular activities only I was doing. When I got to know from this training is we can use some other tools to cut down the timing of my activity, and give 100% more than 100% productivity what I am doing right. So
Mhm.
that makes me like more productive, and compared to other people, I am doing some other additional activity as well. So that reaches to me to next level. So
Okay.
then they started like assigning the team, you take care of this team and work with them, ask them to do work how you were doing, and whatever you have done the achievements, like for moving the everything, whatever the DTPs, SOPs, other stuffs and all, you just make it simplified and ask them to do it. So I got the team. I'm just running the team now. I was SME, now I'm lead.
Okay. Okay.
This very thankful to the team, B10x. They made my dream fulfill. So I want to achieve more as well in upcoming days.
Right, right, right.
Mm.
So, how did you get to know about this B10x and masterclass?
Ah, yeah, yeah. So I was watching YouTube reels. Okay, I rarely watch, but intentionally when I was watching the reels for upskill myself, that time I saw the video of Aditya Kachare. So that time, some guy came with laptop and he was telling about it. Can you able to do this PPT or presentation, whatever, within some time? So I was surprised. Within the 10 minutes, how could you do that particular activity? Because I used to take 1 or 2 days like that to complete the activities by manually. So all of a sudden they were telling like and also you can do it within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you will get like more hike in the self. So I impressed with
Right.
the activity, whatever they have done. So I joined the first session of just a demo. Then after that, I really interested to join for complete course. So I joined. I learned. I made it.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
So, how did B10x actually benefit you in order to get this success story of yours? But before that, can you also share what is your success story, and then how did masterclass benefit you? In order to get that achievement.
Yeah, that is what. As I said, and I was doing that regular activity. Okay, it's a normal person day-to-day activity. You like copy paste job, Excel and Word, PPTs and whatever your activities doing in the financial. So expectation will be there from the organization to simplify the process.
Right, right,
As basically everyone knows, only Excel, Word, and PPTs of normal usage. Whatever the formulas you have, normal basic formulas, not the complete formula.
right,
So
right.
when I take this course, that what they simplified on the masterclass was how to use Excel with AI including shortcuts of the formulas. That is very useful. And also that tables and all, they made it very easy and very convenient to me to perform the productivity within the less time of the more productivity. That is the
Okay.
one thing. And compare you to you and others, that a lot of difference will be there, because you will get more knowledge from this B10X team, and whatever the people they were teaching over there, all are very knowledgeable. They have given inputs like 110% more than that. So from their knowledge, you once you adapt it to production, you will get more productivity.
Right, right.
Office 365, I was not aware of that. Office 365 is the one software is there. Only I know only MS Office. When I got to know Office 365, we implemented some OCR concept in that Office 365, and some of other projects also they started implementing that too as well. Image to Word, image to text. I was
Mhm.
not aware of that how to use. I was using Google, but it was not capturing properly that time. When
Right, right.
I saw this class, then I can capture complete information. That's how my journey started from scratch to now it is productivity to the more productive. That
Mm-hmm.
is the one. That is the more benefits to me from the B10X team and the classes, master classes, and weekend classes, Q&A session. They resolved all the questions as well. It was very wonderful training session, brainstorming session as well.
Right, right, right. And what about your promotion? I heard that you
Yeah, yeah. So that is what. And I approached my lead. He was telling about like what you have done extra. Very simple question. Wherever you go in the industries, they will ask what extra you have done compared to the others.
Mhm.
Then I told them like I have taken all the initiatives. I started presenting like weekly WBRs and daily one-on-one whatever the connects with the clients or leads. That PPTs also I have done, and I created some other MBRs, monthly business reviews, from using Power BI, and as well as this whatever presentation already given by existing clients, we modified with different graphics designs. That is what I told them. That okay, fine, everyone does, but you just compare with them and let me know. Then I fought with them. Then they said, okay, fine, we will analyze. So after 1 month, then they decided, okay, he has done some different activities and he is coming up with some different ideas. I have submitted some multiple ideas in the organization. They got implemented. Recently, so last week only one more idea I submitted using for AI for chatbot purpose,
Okay, okay.
responding to the employees. So those also they started implementing. So some budget costing, but they started. But idea is working out. So that is
Oh,
how it was like some normal person to some extraordinary work activities. It is transferring. That is what I got it from the training. It's very helpful for me. I got hike and I am very happy. I'm next approaching for the next level as well.
okay, okay, great.
Mm.
So as you said, you got a hike. Do you want to reveal what is the approx percentage of hike to the viewers?
Yeah, we can reveal, but sometimes it is very confidential also. But I expected some 20% hike that time, but my manager given very good hike, 29 point some 5%.
Great, great, great.
Yeah.
So, so like, what kind of mindset one should have while undergoing this masterclass and course with B10X, so that one can also get achievement like you had.
Hmm. See, mindset is nothing but people used to think about money. They should not think about money first. Money, you should not run behind the money. What I
Mhm.
did is I was thinking like when they given the this is the course fees and all. If people
Mhm.
will think like if I pay money I will get knowledge or not. You should not think about money. First you invest. Once you invest, definitely will get returns. 100% you will get the returns. That I am sure about it. Whatever I invested, I got double returns. I am happy with that. So that is what whoever going to join the courses or any master classes with the B10X, absolutely 100% I'll recommend them to join. You will gain the knowledge. Students also means it is very extraordinary because of well in advance you will get all the details. Because once you reach to interview, you will clear all the interviews. 100% you will clear with all the question and answers. I'm damn sure about that.
Right, right. And what are your next career steps? Right now, you have landed a promotion with a salary hike. So, how
Mhm.
are you going to plan your next career steps by
Yeah,
leveraging?
yeah. I'm planning for the next with the technical background. I'm into finance. So I'm just looking forward for the next technical within the organization for applying IJPs. So that is what my next agenda. So I just want to move from department admin to technical department to transform, and also for hike as well, because here in the Bangalore it is very difficult to survive with salary, and also if you get more also that is also it is showing as a less. So we just want to transfer from accounting department to software department. That is my next target. And if it is not possible, then I will move into this organization with the next position
Right,
to
right.
lead with different projects, or any other different project I can move, and I can learn something new as well.
Okay, okay, great. So, thank you so much, Rajesh, for joining with us today and sharing your success story. It really makes us happy, and it also makes us motivated that people like you are getting benefited with our efforts,
Yeah,
with
yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for you and the B10x team, everyone. I loved it. If I get any other opportunity in the B10x as well, so I am ready to invest. I can go for another course as well. I'm very much happy for that, because of learning that's never ending. That I
Right,
can
right.
I keep in mind every time is like, learning is never ending. That is what.